Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's West African Queen, and today I am doing this beautiful look right here. I didn't know what I was going to do, so I did one eye off camera, and I'm going to do this eye on camera. So if you want to know how I got into this is actually inspired by an Instagram that does videos. Her name is Vanessa Jima, but I'll put her Instagram information down below. But this is a really nice look, so let's get into it. So basically, this is me trying to be a YouTuber, a makeup artist, while using my iPhone to get this damn thing to show what the hell it shows. But see, clearly that didn't work out, so I tried one more time, and your girl finally gave up. So shout out to the person that's black or dark skin. Priming with a very light concealer actually helps the color show. The transition colors that I used kind of didn't show, but you know, we learn as we go. So then I blended out the concealer and we got started on the eyeshadows. So I used the orange and the yellow. I tried to put something on it, but girl, editing is a different type of skill. So I started with the orange on my cut crease area. So I did that, then tried to blend it out a little bit. Then I went, blended out, blah, blah, blah. Then I went with the yellow, but it really didn't show, kind of didn't make a difference. But you know, I said, we're learning as we go. So then I cut my crease again with the same concealer that I first started my base with. I tried using the actual applicator. It made it a little bit easier. Then I decided, girl, you better go back to, you know, a brush. So then I cut my crease with the brush. So then I used the It's My Rare palette, and I used the purple in the middle on the bottom to blend my the outer part of my eye, I guess. Then I packed the same orange in my middle part of my eye, where I cut my crease. So yeah, that's me packing it on. Then I went with the yellow, the same palette. It's a BH Cosmetics palette, by the way. And then in my inner corner eye. My inner corner eye. I'm new to this. So here's me struggling to put eyelashes on. As always, if you don't struggle, I'm not a pro yet. I don't think I'll ever be a pro, but this is me struggling. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. What type of nonsense is this? I probably sat there for at least 5 minutes figuring that out. So I finally figured that out, kinda. And then, so I did my face off camera because I didn't think that was relevant. And that's the final look, you know? Just me trying some things out. But yes, I didn't record an outro. But yes, this look was inspired or was taken from Vanessa Jima. I'll put her information down below. She creates awesome looks, and it's kind of cool. I mean, I didn't completely create it, but it was cool recreating her look.